Hello teacher, welcome to this video where I am going to introduce the Unit 8 and Unit 9. So let's start. Unit 8 is related to the topic family trends and the web project is elder care. Let's start with the first question. What are some examples of how the elderly are being cared for in the country you choose to research? List 3 examples. Okay, first, the country that I choose for this research is Japan. And there are different examples. The first is to achieve such advances. The first mission was to guarantee high-quality standards in care services for the elderly. To do this, these organizations or the government established an average of 15 care workers for the elderly for every 1,000 people over 65 years old. The second is nursery for the elderly, where they can receive professional care such as kinesiology, therapies, or even recreational activities during the day, so that the family can pick it up later. And the last example is Elderly Abuse Prevention and Support Act was created in 2005 with the aim to protect older adults from abusive and denigration practices, because adult people need to be provided with a lot of care from the government or their families. Let's start with the second question. What are some reasons why this country might be choosing this approach or these approaches to elder care? Okay, there are different reasons, and the first is for these measures was the more people over 65 have a healthy, full, and harmonious life. The second reason is supervising that adults have people who take care of them is an excellent idea, since today's relatives who are taking care of their elderly and where a caregiver stress is generated because they have in their life they have to leave their jobs or another activities. The third reason is that governments search to develop a smart life project, which was composed of a smart walk, a smart diet, a smart breath that is related to not smoking campaigns, and a smart checkup that is health check. And the last reason is to avoid a physiological deterioration that is commonly observed in elderly people, in particular in different pathologies like cardiac, renal, respiratory functions, and muscle strength. Thirdly, like sarcopenia, osteoporosis, and dementia are the targets for the prevention of the treatment. Okay, the government proposed this approach to avoid the different diseases in adult people. Okay, this is the third question, and it says, what do you think about elder care in the country you research? Explain your answer. Okay, I think adult care in Japan is very professional because Japan developed a campaign that is saying there was much an individual can do to remain active and healthy in later life. There are kind of a lifestyle involvement in family and society and maybe in a supportive environment for older age all preserve positive well-being. Okay, the second unit, in this case the unit 9, is related to the topic fact theories and houses. And the web project for this unit is mysteries. Okay, let's see the first question. Who were the Anasazi? When and where did they live? Okay, the Anasazi formed an Amerindian archaeological culture from the Oasis America cultural super area. They occupied in various groups the surface of the current states of Colorado, Utah, Arizona, and New Mexico. The Anasazi civilization completely disappeared before the arrival of Europeans in America. The second question is what are two unsolved mysteries regarding the Anasazi? What are some of the theories that have been proposed to answer the mysteries? Okay, the first mystery is some 50 years from their origin, they left the cliffs, disappearing permanently. Although in this case we have a theory that contrasts or answers it, and it says that the Hopi Indians and the Zuni are their descendants. The Hopi call the Hisatsinom the ancestors. Okay, then we have another mystery that is related to the cannibalism. In the studied settlement, 3 kivas were found and in them the first evidence of cannibalism. They are based on the areas of brightness in the clay pot that remain with a bony spook, cut marks, and abrasion in the human remains. The theory that answers this mystery is that corresponds to the explanation of cannibalism is that of the demographic increase that would have made crops insufficient for if there were enough feed to provide a population of 40 or 50,000 people. And the last question is choose one of the mysteries regarding the Anasazi. Which of these theories do you find to be the most possible explanation? Explain your answer. Okay, the mystery theory that I choose is the disappearance of this culture forever. However, according to the historical data, all of them disappeared before the arrival of the Europeans. With respect to the other pre-Columbian cultures, the Aztec were contemporaneous of the Anasazi and other Mexican cultures, but it doesn't seem likely that they reached this area. So the only explanation for this fact were their own enemies when they faced each other in some war. That's all about the video projects. Thank you for your attention. I hope that you enjoyed this video.